Select the XY plane again. Now try to do this in the graphic area. It's the blue plane. When you click on the plane, the context panel appears. Click Create Sketch in the panel. You can also select the same command from the Quick Access bar. The XY plane rotates to be parallel to the screen, or in other words, perpendicular to our view. Let's start a sketch. Take a look at the Geometry toolbar and find the Rectangle command. If you hover over any command in Compass and wait a few seconds, a brief description of the command will appear. You can see a black triangle in the bottom right corner of the Rectangle button. It means that a group of commands is hidden here. Hold down the left mouse button to open the drop-down list and move the cursor to select Rectangle by center point and vertex. You can also click on the Rectangle button and then select the command you need from the Parameter panel. Note that at the bottom of the Parameter panel you can see a tip informing what to do next. Hover the mouse over the origin. This symbol indicates that the nearest point snap is active. Click to place the rectangle center point precisely in the origin, so the part's plane of symmetry will align with the origin as planned, and then click somewhere to create the rectangle's vertex. Now you can complete the current command. You can click the red cross or press the Escape key. But now let's move on and start the next command. The Rectangle command will be completed automatically. Click Smart Dimension on the Dimensions toolbar. This command automatically determines the type of object you've selected and creates an appropriate dimension. Hover the mouse over the segment you need. When it turns turquoise, click to select it. A preview of the linear dimension has appeared. Now click anywhere to position the dimension. Let me enter the length of our rectangle in the panel that appears. 260. You can click the green check mark to confirm, but let me just press Enter. It works the same. The Smart Dimension command is still active now, so let's dimension the other side of the rectangle the same way. This time select two vertices one by one. The command defines that you need a linear dimension again. Position the new dimension. Press Enter. Press the Escape key to stop the Smart Dimension command. We don't need it anymore. If you've made a mistake, double-click the dimension value to correct it. By the way, you can delete any object in Compass using the Delete key, and you can undo the last action using the standard command in the Edit menu or by pressing Ctrl-Z. Our sketch is ready now. Let me add some volume to the plane sketch. Click Extrusion element on the Elements toolbar. You will exit the sketch mode. A preview of the new elements appears. In Compass, this preview is called a phantom. Take a look at the Parameters toolbar. The distance field is highlighted. It means you don't need to place the cursor there manually. You can enter the value right away. Enter 30. Press Enter. Notice how the phantom has changed. You can confirm the command by either using the green checkmark or pressing the mouse wheel. I prefer the second option. Note that the Extrusion element command is still active. If you click on some element, you will get a new volume that you don't need. So let's stop the command. We have created the bracket's base. If you need to evaluate the model and view it from different angles, you can move and rotate the view. Hold down the right mouse button and move the mouse to rotate the view. If you need to move the view, hold down the mouse wheel and move the mouse. A tip: if you've accidentally rotated the view while in the sketch mode, click Normal tool in the Quick Access bar to reset it. Rotate the mouse wheel to zoom out or zoom in.